Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and today we are diving into one of the most heated controversies in the online world, Twitter versus Threads. It's a battle of the titans, and we're here to break it down for you. Now, you might be wondering, why is there so much buzz around this controversy? Well, my friends, it's all about the way we consume information. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring the arguments from both sides, sharing opinions, and diving into the key points of contention. Is Twitter still the reigning champion of social media, or will Threads dethrone the king? Join us as we unravel the complexities of this ongoing controversy and shed light on the implications it has for our online experience. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready for a wild ride as we navigate through the Twitter versus Threads controversy. Let the battle begin. In recent weeks, there has been a lot of controversy surrounding Twitter and Thread, a new social media platform that is gaining popularity. Some people believe that Thread is a threat to Twitter, while others believe that it is simply a new way for people to connect with each other. In the middle of this controversy is Elon Musk has said that he wants to make changes to Twitter, and some people believe that he is concerned about Thread as a potential competitor. The controversy between Twitter and Thread began when Meta, the parent company of Facebook, launched Threads on July 5, 2023. Threads is a text-based social app that is designed to piggyback off Instagram's infrastructure and user base. The app had more than 30 million sign-ups as of July 7, 2023, which would represent around 1.5% of Instagram's monthly active users. Twitter quickly accused Meta of using its trade secrets to develop Threads. In a letter to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, Twitter lawyer Alex Spiro argued that Meta had engaged in systematic, willful and unlawful misappropriation of Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual property. Spiro also said that Meta had hired dozens of former Twitter employees to build Threads. Elon Musk: I support competition, but I don't support cheating. Meta has denied these allegations, saying that the engineering team at Threads does not consist of any former Twitter employees. However, Twitter has said that it has evidence to support its claims, and it is considering legal action against Meta. The legal fight between Twitter and Meta is still ongoing, and it is unclear what will happen next. However, the controversy has highlighted the growing rivalry between Twitter and Meta, as well as the potential for competition in the social media space. The future of Twitter. It remains to be seen what the future holds for Twitter. Musk has said that he wants to make changes to the platform, but it is unclear what those changes will be. Some people believe that Musk will make Twitter more open and free speech friendly, while others believe that he will make it more profitable. The controversy between Twitter and Thread is just one of the many challenges that Musk faces as the new owner of Twitter. It will be interesting to see how he navigates these challenges and shapes the future of the platform. As the Twitter versus Threads controversy comes to a close, it's important to reflect on the impact it has had on the way we communicate and share information online. This heated debate sparked conversations about the pros and cons of both Twitter's traditional character limit and the use of thread features to create longer, connected narratives. Ultimately, it seems that the controversy has prompted Twitter to reevaluate its platform and listen to the concerns of its users. As a result, they have implemented new features and updates to provide a more inclusive and versatile experience for everyone. While Threads have allowed users to delve deeper into topics and express their thoughts at length, the character limit of traditional tweets has its advantages as well. It encourages brevity and concise communication, forcing users to distill their ideas into bite-sized snippets. This limitation has been part of Twitter's identity since its inception and has played a role in shaping the unique and fast-paced nature of the platform. However, with the introduction of expanded character limits and improved thread functionality, Twitter has found a middle ground that caters to both sides of the debate. Users can now choose to express themselves succinctly or elaborate further using threads, based on their personal preferences and the nature of the content they wish to share. In the end, the controversy has highlighted the importance of flexibility and user-driven innovation in social media platforms. It reminds us that our digital landscape is constantly evolving, and the needs and desires of users must be taken into account. As we move forward, let us embrace this outcome as a step towards a more harmonious and inclusive online space. Twitter, as a platform, has shown its willingness to adapt and improve, and it's up to us, the users, to make the most of these changes and continue fostering meaningful conversations in whatever format suits us best. Remember, the power of social media lies in our hands, and it's our responsibility to use it wisely and responsibly. Let's continue to engage, connect, and uplift one another as we navigate the ever-evolving digital world. Thanks for watching. This has been a look at the latest Twitter vs. Thread controversy and Elon vs. Mark Zuckerberg legal fight. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.